Alberta is one of the fastest-growing provinces in Canada, with cities like Calgary and Edmonton expanding rapidly. Many international workers seeking stable, long-term employment consider Alberta as an attractive destination. The province also has a great amount of oil reserve and industries, resulting in high demand for skilled workers. If you are interested in immigrating to Alberta, then you might as well want to understand how to apply for the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program. This video will provide you with most things you need to know about Alberta immigration. Welcome back to our channel. Work-Study Visa provide 100% free up-to-date guides to help foreigners like yourself visit, study in, work in Canada or immigrate permanently. Canada is currently the welcoming country in the world, and we're excited to assist you come here. If this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you get first-hand information at no cost. Simply hit the subscribe button, share the video and smash the thumbs up to help promote our work. One more thing. Feel free to ask your question via the comment section and our staff will respond. Now, let's get back to the topic of the day. As at 2018, the government approved minimum wage for workers in Alberta as $15 Canadian per hour, hence the province can boast of being the top salaried part of Canada. But what is the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, AINP? The AINP is an economic immigration program that nominates people to live in Alberta permanently. Nominees must possess skills to fill job shortages or intend to purchase or start a business in Alberta. In addition, they must be able to support their families as well. The Alberta and Canadian governments are in charge of the initiative. Also, if you are nominated under the program, you and your spouse or common law partner, as well as any dependent children, may apply for permanent residence status. What are the various AINP immigration pathways? The Alberta Provincial Nominee Program or AINP accepts applications from candidates via the following 4 immigration pathways. They include the Alberta Opportunity Pathway, Farmer Self-Employed Pathway, Express Entry Pathway, and the International Graduate Pathway. Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, AINP, Eligibility. The Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, AINP, has different eligibility requirements depending on the immigration stream. For instance, if you meet the following criteria, you are qualified to apply for the Alberta Opportunity Stream. You must have a valid work permit obtained through Labour Market Impact Assessment, LMIA. A valid work permit is not required in case a candidate have an LMIA-exempt occupation, status of temporary resident in Canada. Work in an occupation that is included in the NOC or accepted by AINP. Work experience for the job you wish to apply. Language test results that must score at least 5 for CLB and NCLC. Educational certificate from a post-secondary institution or an undergraduate or graduate degree, or a diploma for 2 years. Lastly, you must possess full-time work experience of 12 months within 18 months in Alberta Province. Alberta Provincial Nominee Program latest draw. If you want to apply for permanent residency in Canada through the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, AINP, you should familiarize yourself with the latest draws. The Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, AINP, monitors the IRCC's Express Entry Pool on a regular basis for applicants who might qualify for one of Alberta's Express Entry immigration streams. Thank you for visiting our channel. We hope this topic was helpful. Just before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the like button. You can also visit our website for more resources, check the description below. Thanks for supporting our work.